Top 6 reasons for damaged, foul-smelling nails and skin. Damaged and foul-smelling nails and skin can be caused by several factors, including fungal infection. Fungi can cause infections that result in brittle, discolored nails and a foul odor. Poor hygiene. Failure to properly clean and dry the nails and skin can lead to bacteria growth and unpleasant smells. Diabetes. People with diabetes are more prone to skin and nail infections that can cause foul smells. Vitamin deficiency. A lack of vitamins and minerals, especially B vitamins, can lead to weak and brittle nails and skin. Dehydration. Insufficient hydration can cause dry and cracked skin, which can harbor bacteria and result in a foul odor. Chemical exposure. Exposure to harsh chemicals, such as those found in cleaning products, can cause damage to the nails and skin. Natural remedies for damaged and foul-smelling nails and skin include apple cider vinegar. Soaking the affected area in a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water can help kill bacteria and fungi. Tea tree oil. Applying tea tree oil directly to the affected area can help fight fungal infections and reduce inflammation. Lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon juice can help remove stains and brighten discolored nails. Coconut oil. Massaging coconut oil into the nails and skin can help moisturize and nourish them. Baking soda. Mixing baking soda with water to create a paste can help exfoliate dead skin cells and reduce odor. Aloe vera. Applying aloe vera gel to the injured region will reduce swelling and speed up recovery.